Hey, what's happening, gang? It's your boy Mahesh. Welcome again to the channel. Today, not going to be too exciting, but we are going to go to the temple in Madrid, Iowa, which is just a little town on the outskirts of Des Moines, Iowa, a little bit more northwest of Des Moines, Iowa. So my wife and I will be going. We haven't been able to go for the New Year. My wife is a Hindu. I am a Hindu by default, because I support my wife, but I also grew up in a Catholic family, and growing up in Trinidad we were able to participate in Hinduism, Islam and Christianity, so we had a very unique upbringing in the Caribbean. So I, on my mother's side, Venezuelan side, they are Catholic, so I grew up with that aspect. And then my father was very big with India, spent most of his life back and forth from India, and was a part of the transcendental meditation movement with Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. So we grew up with that. And then my wife is now Hindu, and I also partake in a lot of Christian events as well. So I don't discriminate. I participate spiritually in whatever aspect pertaining to God, and I'm very open-minded. So anyway, I'm going to take you on my journey as we go. Unfortunately, the missus don't want to be on camera, so she's still getting used to this whole thing with vlogging. So in time. So join us on our trip as we head on out to the temple, and I'll see you guys there. When you do the remote start, you have to push the button in order to keep it going. Anyway, I'm going to go and throw the recycle out coming now. All right, we're ready. Let's roll. All right. After going to get a banana for the offering in the temple, the whole idea is that you give an offering to God, just in the same way that God gives you life, gives you wealth, health, prosperity. So it's kind of the same idea. So see if I can get some bananas. My wife says bananas will be good enough. Which one should I get? Something that they could probably use by this afternoon. That should work. Okay. Cool. All right. Oh, can I pay with cash here?
Yeah, you can pay with cash.
Okay.
Select from popular items.
Thank you.
Place item on screen 1. 45.
Did it work? Thank you.
Insert cash or select payment type.
You had to do everything.
Before continuing.
Thank you.
Insert cash or select payment type. Please take your change. Cash is dispensed below.
All right, that's it. We got it. All right, I get through. Getting ready to go now. Got the bananas. I have the change. Let's roll.
Papa Vrindam वन्दे महाकाल महासुरेशम्
हर हर शम्भु शम्भु शिव महादेव शम्भु शम्भु शिव महादेव हर शम्भु शम्भु शिव महादेव शम्भु शम्भु शिव महादेव
It's on the outskirts of Des Moines. Going on this little dirt road here, over by this little barn. Last time over here, they said they were going to do construction of a large building to the back of the temple. I don't know if they started construction yet, but we'll see. Here we are, 33916. Wow, that's a beautiful shot. Look at that shot. Look at that shot. That's a beautiful shot. Look at how the sun over the temple like that, huh? All right, let's get some parking. Yeah, there's always people here. Let's do this. All right, we're here. Let's go. Go and give our offerings to the Lord. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look at that. That is a beautiful sight. The sun setting over the temple, house of God. If you're a Christian, don't worry. It's kind of the exact same thing where you give an offering to the Lord or prayer. Anyway, folks, here we are. The Hindu Cultural Center of Madrid, Iowa. And it's probably about 10 miles outside of Des Moines, maybe 15 miles, I want to say. Could be shorter than that. I'll put a map up. And we're going to go ahead and go inside. My wife already went ahead because she doesn't want to be on camera, but here we are. Over there is where, when my father passed away a year ago, I came with my two brothers and two of my friends, and we did the ceremony over there. I'll cut to it real quick, but that was the spot where we did it. This is the temple. Anybody know what this says? Because I don't know Sanskrit. Beautiful. Hindu temples are very magnificent, man. Amazing stuff. In the summertime or wherever they do their ceremonies, they burn out here to make the offering. But we're about to go inside. I don't think I could film inside, but I'll find out. Here's the hours. You take off your shoes before you go in. Yeah.
You cannot record in here.
All right, they're very strict about recording in here, so I'm not going to, but I'll take off my shoes and we'll go in. Well guys, we all got done. Sorry I couldn't show you anything inside, but this temple has strict rules about video inside. So I was very limited on what I could get. I will try to put up some photos if I find any on Google of what it looks like inside. But pretty much here it is. It's one of the only temples we have available to Hindus in Des Moines area. It's about, from our house, it's about 30-minute drive. From Des Moines, it's probably about 20. And this is it. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys much because they have rules. Every temple is going to be different. And so you'll see that as you go along. In Trinidad, you could probably record inside and stuff. So if you see my last video I did with the temple in Trinidad, I did record inside of it. It's very similar to that. They all pretty much have a very similar layout. My wife is freezing. All right, guys, we're going to go. See if I can catch her quick. That's her running to the car right there. Look, 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 look. She is getting on camera with it. Don't tell her. All right, guys. So my wife and I are done. We made our... You're not being recorded. Hey, guys. All right. So we're all done in the temple. We made our offerings. We gave our thanks. We expressed gratitude for life, for health, strength, for courage, for family, for intellect. Am I missing anything? For everything. We said thank you and prayed for everything. Courage was a big one for me for 2023. So we're getting ready to head out and we're leaving now, and we're going to go get some dinner at Kathmandu restaurant in Windsor Heights, West Des Moines. See you guys soon.
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि